In this class, I'm going to explain the lab program, which is based on inline function concept, and I'm using class and objects. See here, the agenda of this program is to calculate a cube of a number. So, in a class, I have taken class name cube, and it has a data members, two data members, result and variable, that is for input, and there is a function called read. From this function, we are going to read data to this data member. Okay. And there is a function called cal. And I'm going to make this function as inline. See, one more concept you already knew in a class and objects chapter. If we define any function inside the class definition, by default it becomes inline function. Though we won't use inline keyword, it becomes inline function. If you want to make a function, any member function as an inline explicitly, you have to add a keyword inline. Whenever you define a function outside the class, it executes as a normal member function. Okay, so though I defined outside the class, I want to make it inline, I must use the keyword inline. Okay, so execution starts from main function. In order to call member function, we have to create object. The class name is Q and object name I have taken C. I am going to call read function C.read. So when you call the read function, by default it is an inline function. So let us leave that default nature. Let us concentrate on this explicit function. Then this code will be executed. After that, which is the next statement, say.cal. Okay, this cal function I defined outside the class. So you already know the rules for defining member function outside the class. Return type specifier, class name, scope resolution operator, function name, argument declaration within parenthesis if any argument is there. Otherwise, no arguments. So leave that parenthesis empty. Then result is equal to n into n into n, cube of a number. And from this function I am displaying. Are you understanding? So this thing is already you know. Before that you have to add the keyword inline. After execution it terminates the program. So it's a very simple program. Okay, it's a lab program. Here I have taken data members, both result and also input value. That's why I'm not passing any argument from main function. This program you can done in the different ways. Okay, so I have shown the simplest form. So it is easy to remember and easy to learn also. Understood? Now syntax to define inline function with class. So when we make a function, any member function as inline, how to write the syntax? So in the last class I had shown how to write the syntax of inline function definition without using class. Now I show how to define with using class. The return type specifier is there, isn't it? Inline is a keyword, return type specifier, class name, scope resolution, function name, argument declaration, body of the function. See, this is same as the defining member function outside the class definition. The only keyword is inline you should add it here. Understood? Next, advantages of inline function. What are the advantages of inline function? As I told you, inline functions are compact functions or a short function call. So it must contain only a minimum set of instructions. In that way we have to write the program. Okay. The size of the object code is considerably reduced. The size of object code means this is object code, size of object code. We have to write only a small less number of instructions. Within that instructions only we have to find the solution. Then the speed of execution of program increases. What does it mean? Instead of transferring control from calling function to called function, say this is function call. C.cal is a function call and the function definition is here. Okay. Instead of transferring control from that calling function to here, this code will be replaced here. Okay, the function call is replaced by that actual code, so that execution time is fast. Sorry, execution time is less and code execution is fast. And very efficient code can be generated. So we can think the logic that should give a result within 1 or 2 statements. Okay, then the readability of a program increases. Readability of program means the instructions, fetching of instruction is fast compared to other functions. So these are the advantages of inline function. Okay, they'll ask for 5 mark advantages. And next concept is when inline function may not work. In which situation inline function cannot work? Though you make a function inline, but it cannot execute as an inline. When I told you this concept in a class and objects chapter, if you define a function inside the class, by default that function becomes inline. We did not use a keyword inline there, isn't it? Though it become inline. If you take a long function, lengthy module inside the class, it cannot expand it as an inline function. Okay. So the same concept, if you make a function inline, you must add the keyword inline. Though you make function inline, if that function having too many instructions or code is very complicated, then it cannot expand it as inline. That is the first point. If the function definition is too long or too complicated, then inline function may not work. And if inline function having a recursive statements, then also it cannot execute as a inline function. What does it mean? It cannot execute as inline function means the code will not come here. Code will not come to the calling statement. It executed as a normal member function. That is, control will transfer from calling function to called function and executes the statement. Again, it come back to the calling function. Understood? The nature of inline function is the code function call is replaced by its actual code. Isn't it? That is the nature. If that function having too many statements or these many instructions are there, then it cannot expand it as a inline function. The function call will not replaced by its actual code. Then control goes to definition and executes and come back to the calling function. Now the third point, if function has a looping constructs, for loop, while loop, do while, then also that function cannot execute it as inline. If function has a switch or go to statement, in such cases also inline function may not work. Understood? But it executes not as an inline function, as a normal function it executes. Now disadvantage. See, if they ask disadvantage for 1 or 2 mark, actually the weightage of this chapter is 5 mark, only one 5 mark question. If you have a sub questions like 1, 2, 1 plus 2 plus 2, sometimes they may ask disadvantage of inline function. For 1 mark or 2 mark, you must write this. Or if they ask disadvantages of inline function for 5 mark, you have to combine. You have to combine these 2 answers. Understood? So what is the major disadvantage of inline function? As per the nature of inline function, whenever we call inline function, the function call is replaced by its actual code. See, in this particular example, this is the function call. So when control comes to this statement, the body of the function, this code will come here, isn't it? It will come here and it executes from this file itself. If this body having lengthy statement, many more instructions or complicated instructions, so it requires more memory to expand here. So the size of memory is large, so it requires more memory. So it cannot manage that, then it cannot expand it as inline. That is the disadvantage. See here, as the body of inline function is substituted in the place of function call. What does it mean? The body of inline function substitute at the place of function call when it is called, isn't it? The size of executable file increases and requires more memory, or more memory is needed. So that instruction has to come here, no? So it requires a more memory, and if that function having more instructions or more looping statements, it's difficult to manage the memory here. So that is the disadvantage of inline function. So I hope you understood this lab program. So you need to learn this lab program and advantages of inline function, and what are the situations where inline function may not work, and what are the disadvantages of inline function. Understood? Thank you.